Thank you, Minh for her song. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen and students. My name is Hung, and it is my great pleasure to be your master of ceremony for this competition today. Today, we are all gathered here to witness the incredible talents of our contestants come from our school, as they will show off their persuasive speech and effective way in communication in English. The purpose of this competition is to encourage and inspire our young talents to push the boundaries of their abilities and to improve their English language skills. On the behalf of organizing committee, I would like to welcome everyone coming to the competition and wish you have an exciting time today. First of all, I would like to introduce the judges for our competition. Our chief judge is Mr. Leonard Gold from C Academy. Our second judge is Mr. Nguyễn, Director of the Central Region for the IEL Mentor English Language System. Our third judge is Mrs. Chuyên, English teacher at Nguyễn Huệ High School. And last but not least, it's Mr. Liên, English teacher at Nguyễn Huệ High School, is our fourth judge at the competition. Along with them are the teachers from the Foreign Language Department, the internship students of Huế University of Foreign Languages, and students in the 3 upper grades of Nguyễn Huệ High School. Before we get into the main part, I would like to invite Mr. Nguyễn to the stage to motivate our contestants. Sit down. Well, now it's time for our quiz game. All right, everyone. Now it's time for the first question. The first letter of the words from these pictures will form a new word. What is it? Anyone know? Anyone knows the answer? Ah, yes, I see the first hand.
My answer is Frank.
Yeah, it's the right answer. Now we will move to the second one. Where did President Ho Chi Minh read the Declaration of Independence on September 2nd, 1945? Ah, yes, the man in the green.
I'm Hong Nguyễn from 11A2. My answer is Baden Square. Is that right?
Yes, it's the right answer. And now for the third one. The 60th wedding anniversary is called the Spain anniversary. Yes, man in the grave.
I'm a C from 11B1 and my answer is diamond anniversary.
Yes, it's the right answer. And now it's time for the fourth question. What country is the largest in the world? I see the hand. I see the hand in front of the man in the grave. The hand in front of the man. The man in front of the grave. This one. Yes.
Hi, my name is Những. I'm from 11A2 and my answer is Russia.
Yes, Russia is the right answer. And now for the fifth question. Which is the longest word in the English language? This is a very tough one. I bet nobody can answer this. Yes, man in the black.
My name is Huệ. I'm from 10A2. The longest word in English language is elongate.
No, it's not the right answer. This is one of the hardest questions. Well, if nobody can answer this, I will have to reveal you the answer. The answer is mine. And how is this an answer? I have no idea. Let's move to the next one. It's Canada's national sport, played by two teams of skaters using long stick to hit a rubber disc. What sport is it? The man next to the green one.
Hi, my name is Khối from 11A7 and my answer is hockey.
Hockey. Are you
Yeah.
sure?
I think so.
Do you want to add something to the word hockey?
What do you mean?
Well, doesn't matter because yes, the green one. Do you want to answer?
It's ice hockey, right?
Yes, ice hockey is the correct answer. And now, which language is spoken most in the world? Yes, you.
My name is Dylan. I'm from class 12A2 and my answer is Chinese.
Yes, Chinese is the correct one. And now it's time for the next question. If it begins with a C, you can eat it. If it begins with an L, you can swim there. Oh, I already see the hand right here.
Hi, my name is Bat. I'm from class 11B6 and my answer is cake and lake.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, cake and lake is the right one. Number 9, read this sentence. Can you read it? Anyone else? Anyone else simply want to just answer? Come on.
You pronounce the answer. You are what? You agree anymore?
Come on. There's only one person in this room can read this sentence.
Okay, wait. Okay, yeah.
Oh, Mr. Vo, you want to try this sentence? Yeah. Wait. Let him try.
Yeah, you correct.
My answer is, you are too wise to be a fool.
Well. It's the right answer. What is the name of the capital city of Mexico? Yes, the gun down here.
My name is Việt from the 11B1. My answer is Mexico City.
Yes, Mexico City is the right one. For the next question, what do you call a place to cross the road safely? This is an easy one. Come on. Yes, I see some hands down there. Can I invite the one that is, the one in the pink? I think so.
I'm from 11A2 and my answer is Zbrush.
No, it's not the right one.
My name is 3. I'm from 11B1 and my answer is crossline.
No, crossline is not the right one. Yeah. When you, yes.
Hello, my name is Như. I'm from 12B1 and my answer is crosswalk.
No, I'm sorry. You are too good, but I'm still sorry. Yes.
My name is Minh Hung from class 12A2 and my final answer is Zbrush crossing.
Zebra crossing. Yes, is the right answer. Complete the expression as brave as a something. Yes, I would like to invite the girl in the gray. Stand up.
My name is Yang. I'm from 31 and my answer is as bright as a lion.
Lion! Wow! It's the right one. Why is a river so rich? Yes, the girl in the orange.
Hi, from 11B6. My answer is Tiếng River.
What? Pardon? Can you answer again?
Tiếng River.
What do you mean, Tiền River? Well, I suppose it's not the right one. Yes, I see a hand down there. The one on the left.
Hello, my name is Yung from 11B1. A river is so rich because it's not poor.
Well, I suppose it's not the right one. Anyone else? Yes, the girl in the white.
My name is Hung and I'm from 11A2. My answer is the river is so rich because it has the banks.
Yeah, the banks. Yes. It's the right one. Which thing has three hands but only one face? Three hands but one face. Yes, the man got down there.
My name is Kamung from class 1014 and my answer is clock.
Why do you think it's a clock?
Because a clock has three hands and one face.
Well, it's the right one. I just make fun of you. Yes, a clock is the right answer. And now it's time for the last one. What do you call a friend you know through letters? I can see the hand down there.
Hi, my name is Kapil. I'm from 11B1 and my answer is pen pal.
Pen pal. And the answer is pen pal. Yes, you made it. And this is the end of our quiz game.